We've been gone for 4 hours.
No, we haven't. Have we?
We've been gone because you entered the park at 12.
Oh, dang.
Ow!
And it's currently 4 o'clock.
Ow!
So, we're gonna go get lunch. Or
What about
late
me?
lunch. You're not part of TriForce Productions.
Dude, look how many Snapchats she sent me.
Courtney.
Yummy!
So, Courtney, if you're watching this, we're stalking you. Show the world.
Hey!
I ain't stalking nobody.
Can I talk? Let me see.
Alright, so, grabbing lunch, and that's it, right? Alright, bye.
Snack place. And then right there, they that big place right there, they serve hot dogs. Not hot dogs. No.
Hamburgers.
They sell burgers, chicken burgers. What else? I think they sell like some Chinese thing or whatever. But yeah, we'll go over there. But there's a menu of like all the list of different places that they have around here and what they have.
Yeah. So what do you want? Because they're
Oh wait, hold up.
What are you doing? What? No, forget that.
The thing from my phone.
Oh, the case thing. This jerk just threw ice at me. Why?
Because my hands were too cold to keep it. I thought you wanted it. Dude, my little brother got a tattoo here and it's still there.
Is it really?
Yeah, I think so.
How long ago?
Like, probably like a month ago.
A month ago, he had a tattoo, and it's still there. How is that possible?
So we're gonna come up here where the menu is, and we'll check out all the different places, and we'll see what
We're not gonna go far because it's almost eaten.
Yeah, but so mini donuts, like
What?
the best mini donuts ever, is right there.
And it's so good. Oh, it's so good. So good. So good. So good. Oh, yeah. All right, we'll get our food.
That's right.
Okay. It's good.
It's all good. Okay, so this is the ice cream. There's the sand pail, right? That's the one that we want to get. But look at this is really good. A Diamondback burger.
I'll get the salad.
That's good.
Kidding? I'm gonna get the Olaf Frozen Blue Raspberry Lemonade.
The pizza is disgusting.
Can I get that in my souvenir cup?
No, you can't.
Dang it. Okay, I have to get a refillable mug.
Okay, so this is where the hot dogs are. This is over there.
Yeah, and then you have to for today. Then you have to pay again.
No, you have to pay for.
Okay, so now I got the Black Diamond burger with fries, and he got lemonade, or sweet tea, but he has to go get sugar because it's not sweet. But I got an Arnold Palmer, which is basically a sweet tea, and what's it called? Lemonade. So that's so fun. Tastes good. See you guys. This is what almost left of Mickey's head. That is Dylan eating Mickey's head.
Oh, good.
He didn't get any because he didn't come with us.
And I don't have money, and my dad has.
So it's what, 4:30 right now? We're out.
Yeah.
About 4:30.
Yeah.
Stay here for like another hour or two and then head home. So. Yep.
Yeah.
At least we get to come back. Woo.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like less than 15 minutes now.
Dude, she's gotta be on her leg. She's gotta be on her leg. Alright, dude,
Hey guys!
look at the bee on her leg. The bee is on her leg. Oh, it's.
You can see me in the reflection.
The bee's on her.
Get off me.
I saw it.
Wait, look at me. Hi.
Oh, she isn't. Oh, I swear to God. I thought you were a bee. I was about to like hit the crap out of you. I thought you were a bee. I was gonna be like, no!
Wow, I can see your pimples in full HD.
What about these little hairs?
Wait, focus on me, Ervin.
No.
Ervin.
This is done.
Look at this. This is what, 5 o'clock?
I do it all the time.
5 o'clock. This is the wait time. I don't do this one, so just cross that out.
I don't know. I kind of. Nah.
No, not today.
Not today.
Not today.
No.
Die, potato.
Not today. Hey, that's copyrighted too.
So, we're not gonna find out about it. Let's see the UV index. Dylan! Catch. Hold this really quick. Let me put my strap on. 8 p.m. We're gonna leave here in like 2 hours. Watch us leave like when it actually closes. That'll be fine.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
I don't care. We're actually gonna do, I think, this one, or probably that one.
Where's the poop stain?
No, the poop stain's right here.
Poop stain's back here.
Is that one?
Yeah, we have to go to the top of here and then go down.
Oh, okay.
So it's gonna be a long walk. We should ride the lazy river all the way over there.
Is it? Oh, to flow the river. Okay.
Yeah. So
we are right about here. Yeah, we're right here.
Something like that.
Right here.
Yeah, we're right around.
No, we're right here.
Yeah. So we're right here. We're right here. Right there. So if we ride the lazy river after, so the lockers are right around here. Lockers are right here.
So just cross.
So we come over here, ride the lazy river all the way through there, and we'll be good. All right. So here's the plan. We're right here. We're gonna go to the lockers here.
Okay.
Then after that, we're gonna ride the lazy river all the way to poop stain, and then we have to walk all the way up here.
Okay.
Sound good?
Why do we have to walk up there? Oh, because the staircase is going to poop stain.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to do the ski lift?
No.
Well, you can't, because
No, you can't.
It'll end up in a different place.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the red slope and this is the green slope.
It's on the opposite side. Like, you have to go down, and you can't get down the other side to go down to there.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's not up as high as the...
So sounds good.
Time to put you guys back up in the locker.
Mom, I should get one of these shoes. Yeah, but they're like $5.
They're like $8.
No, these ones are 15.
Whoa. I'm good.
Spray on.
So, okay, so I'm putting everybody here back in the lockers. So
You guys, you guys get to stay in the lockers, and we get to go have fun.
see, if you met us, we'll do a meetup here one day.
All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put you in the locker, right? We're gonna shut the door and keep the camera on.
Yeah, right.
No.
No.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna shut it, and then for like a second, and then leave it, and then put it back open, and then shut the camera off and do that. That way it looks like.
All right. Well.
Yeah, like bye guys.
All right. Let's do that then, quick. So just fast forward through time. I would like to thank Dylan for buying us the locker
You guys are
with all our crap.
welcome. All right, guys, get in.
No.
Hold on, wait.
Yeah, put them last.
Awesome. Yeah, we're going to shove you in there, Austin.
No, we're gonna shove him into.
Oh wait, your phone's on.
I need to grab my wallet.
Hello. There we go.
My wallet. Hold on. Put my wallet in there.
All right. And then you guys gotta get in there.
Whoever gets that spare change can have it. All right, I think that's it.
All right. And
All right, see you later.
see you guys.
Hey guys, what's going on? All right, so we have everything right. Okay, so we're gonna try to get ice cream. Now we're gonna try to get ice cream. This is
money up front.
yeah, this is why you're hanging out with us, right?
Hey, we'll go beat.
Just go through the ski lift thing. So it is around 7 o'clock right now.
Bro, we got hurry up.
I'm fine with soft serve only, but we're getting a pail. It's basically the kitchen sink,
We got hurry up.
but it's basically the beach pail. So we gotta hurry up. Just Dylan! Okay, so just come on, hurry up now. Dylan! Are we sharing the cost or? I mean, I'll be fine if you want to. $10.99, 11. All right. We'll be right back. After. Sand. Yo. Sand pail is $11. Yeah. Well, I zoomed in like right on your freckles. What?
We gotta do a slow-mo of that.
Give me all your candy. No, man, I don't want to.
Bam!
All right. So that's basically it for the Windsor Beach. So you guys want to get into the car? Yeah.
Hey guys. Hi. Can we get a sand pail? And like, do we choose or do we get everything on it?
Number one, you can choose if you don't want anything on it.
We want all of it.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
Anything else?
Do you want anything? You're good.
Oh, right. Okay. Hold on. You know what? Hold up.
How much is it?
I got you.
All right, so you keep that.
Keeping your $2.
Okay. That's fine.
Hey. I want to keep $2.
Sure? I'll pay you back.
Okay.
I'm so rich, I eat pennies, yo.
You like?
How rich I am.
Okay.
I eat quarters too, and I'm
I just noticed I'm not in this vlog that much, huh? Here, you can start filming. Here, you can start filming. Ew, why'd you put your money inside?
Is it still recording?
You don't know where the money has been.
No, if it says record right there.
Okay, it's still recording.
Hey, put the strap on, please.
Okay, I'm gonna eat this.
Okay.
And then vlog.
Okay.
Strawberry.
Is it Denver Street pennies? Huh? Is it Denver Street pennies? I think so. No, you gotta find the pennies that has like the 1960s.
Hang on, hold on.
Oh yeah. These
Before
are all
we
like
eat it-
2015 pennies.
Before we eat it, I gotta get a picture of it. It's so magnificent.
I know, dude. That's why I have the vlog camera on.
But I mean on my phone. For Snapchat.
Overflowing. Cream right there. I think you need a new spoon because you put money on there.
Say cheese.
Oh, it's so big. No, that's not. That is. No, there's another one that just went over.
Yeah, but that's ours. We have everything on it. That's the waffle, the chocolate, everything. We got everything.
That's not ours.
Oh, that's not ours. That ain't ours. That is not ours.
I think that's.
That is ours right there. Oh, look at it. Look at this.
Still recording.
Go to the table.
Yeah, go to. Still get. Oh my gosh. Why don't you like drop it?
I did that.
Hang on.
I had a hot dog Sunday and I accidentally dropped it. They wouldn't give me I called the shovel. Because I paid more.
I know, you get the whole thing.
But first.
I called the cherry.
Alright, you can have it. Hang on, let me get this shovel.
Alright.
Hey, get out of here. Alright, let me get a picture.
There, we gotta get a picture.
Yo, what's up?
He has our Sunday. How much did we pay for it?
Like $11.75.
Oh, it's like perfect. We had our perfect change.
No, we had 11.
No, we had 75. I gave you 75.
No, you gave me 75 because we had
Freaking
10.
bees, man.
No, I gave you $2 and 75, right?
That equaled 10. And then you gave me 75 cents and I put a quarter in there and that was 11. Alright guys, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. This is good. Alright, we're gonna finish this. So he went to a wrong place.
Oh, you have the camera on?
Yeah.
God, ice cream.
Look at that ice cream. Oh my gosh, it's so good. There was like cake in there and like waffles. It was like amazing. I might get a float on the way out. Huh? What? What?
I didn't say anything.
Oh, okay. This is the closest you're ever gonna get to the water. Hey, this is the closest my camera's gonna get to the water.
Alright, don't drop it.
Why do you think I have my strap on? Oh my gosh. Yeah, because it's disconnected.
No, that water's cold too.
Is it?
I see Austin.
Oh, that's not good.
Or his bright orange flamboyant shirt.
Oh my gosh, I'm so full.
Me too. Man,
We ate what, like 6 pints?
Yeah, you ate. I think we both ate half.
We ate a share amount. We kind of ate a whole entire 6 pints of ice cream.
Me and Ervin something in one day. We're like, bro, you gotta eat it. And he's like, no, I'm good. And I was like,
We just got off late. We're going all the way around.
Hey.
Yeah, well, we got ice cream.
Oh, what? Dad, can we get some ice cream?
There we go. That's the cue. That's the cue I was looking for.
What?
To ask you.
Oh, Dad, can I get? Thanks.
hey, just take theirs.
Alright.
What the heck? I thought I was stepping on your foot by accident.
That's not my foot. Okay, now I seriously don't want to drop this camera.
Really? I don't have a strap on my phone.
But we got our money's worth of ice cream though. Hey, at least we got our money's worth of ice cream, right, Dylan?
Yeah. Totally. That was, I have to say, that was worth $11. Totally worth it.
It could be a little bit cheaper.
I mean, it could. That would just make it taste better.
So right now we're heading back to the seats as we were eating our ice cream. And as we were eating our ice cream.